Hi guys, welcome to our new video dashboard part 2, controlling multiple charts with a single filter. Pivot table slicer feature in 2010, we can filter a particular pivot table data into different subsets without changing the row or column field in a pivot table. We can also connect multiple charts with the help of slicer. Let's take an example. As you see that here is a pivot table and chart combination kind of dashboard on which we are seeing that registration by month, registration by uh, gender type, and registration by city. Here we are seeing that there is a slicer or part of pivot table just filtering out a particular pivot table or chart. How can we combine all of these charts can be filtered out on the basis of slicer? Let's take an example. Here we have a raw data of an online portal where job seekers register on that particular portal. Here we have ID, name, registration date, types of products that particular job seeker had paid for or had taken the services, city, duration for that particular services he had opted for, and the subscription amount. We can create different subsets of pivot table, like for example, we can create a pivot table on the basis of the type of products he job seeker opt for and total number of count. We can also group that particular data into months and years, which we can name as product purchased. We can also create a chart for that particular thing, and we see that how many people in January or February had opt for that particular services, like resume services, resume display, file search, and priority application. We can name it as also we can create a pivot chart on pivot table on the basis of the city, how many people have registered on that particular portal based on the city wise, like Bangalore, Chennai, Dehradun. Bangalore has maximum number of job seekers who have registered on that particular job portal. We can also create a chart based upon the city. We can also see the how much subscription or the amount of payment received on for that particular month by the job seekers. We can also create the chart for that particular period. Amount. Now create a main dashboard sheet. We can move all the charts on that particular dashboard page or sheet. Now we see that in the pivot table, table 2010, we have an option of slicer. Like on the basis of name, on the basis of city, we create a slicer for that particular city. But if we click on that particular Chennai, we see that only one chart is basically differentiating based upon the city. Else there is no change on other charts. But how can we link each chart to that particular slicer? We can right click on that particular slicer and ISO settings, sorry, pivot table connections. We can create multiple pivot table connections to a particular slicer. Like here we have three pivot tables: product purchase, registration by city, and subscription amount. Currently, the slicer is connected to the product purchase. We can connect it to the registration by city and subscription amount. And we click on OK, and we see whenever we click on a particular city, we get we see that all of the data is changing. Is we showing no numbers because this chart is basically for that registration by city. So if we click on a particular city, we will not get the exact data. We can change this by chart or by or can remove that particular chart. Now we see that with the help of a slicer, we can slicer feature of the pivot table 2010. We can connect multiple charts on the basis of a single click or a single based upon single click or thank guys watching for a small video. For more information visit www.synfog.com. Thanks guys.